Picture this: you are cruising along on an epic road trip, the music is perfect, and the scenery is incredible, then suddenly a chorus of beeps and groans fills the car. Everyone's phone, tablet, and gaming device is running on empty. What is a road trip adventurer to do? Well, your car's built-in universal serial bus ports are your trusty companions for keeping all your gadgets powered up and ready for action. They are designed for both charging portable electronics and sometimes for connecting them to your car's infotainment system, making your journey smoother and more connected. The reason these ports are so helpful lies in their dual functionality and convenience. Many modern vehicles come equipped with a variety of USB port types, from the traditional USB-A to the faster, more versatile USB-C. The key difference among them is often their power output, measured in amperes or amps, and their data transfer capabilities. Some ports are engineered for high-speed charging, delivering more power to quickly juice up your devices, while others might offer standard charging speeds and robust data connections for features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. To make the most of your car's USB ports, first, identify the type of ports available in your vehicle. Most cars will have USB-A ports, which are rectangular, but newer models increasingly feature oval-shaped USB-C ports. Next, check your car's manual or look for small symbols near the ports themselves. A lightning bolt or battery icon usually indicates a dedicated charging port, often with higher amperage for faster power delivery. For infotainment connections, you will typically use a port that also has a small data icon, perhaps resembling a trident or a stack of boxes. Always use a high-quality cable that matches your device and the port type to ensure efficient charging and data transfer, avoiding any frustrating connection drops. An interesting detail is that some premium vehicles feature what is known as intelligent power delivery, or PD, via their USB-C ports. This advanced technology allows the port to communicate with your device to deliver the optimal amount of power, often up to 60 watts or even 100 watts for compatible laptops, significantly reducing charge times compared to older USB-A standards. This means less time waiting and more time enjoying your journey, keeping everyone's devices full of life and ready for the next adventure. Harnessing the full potential of your car's built-in universal serial bus ports is all about smart usage. By understanding their types and capabilities, and pairing them with the right cables, you ensure that everyone in the vehicle stays charged, entertained, and connected. This simple knowledge transforms potential power struggles into a seamless, enjoyable experience for every mile of your road trip.